Here's how to see how many people are clicking on a certain button on your website so that you can see whether or not there's an increase or decrease of traffic clicking on that button. And so what you can do, let's say for example, we find a very specific button on a page like view all clients, and we know that's the only button on this page that says view all clients. And so the easiest way to do this is go into site behavior, go into your charts area, create a new chart. You can do a few things here. You can do a count or you can do a trend line. It's totally up to you. But let's do trend. And then from here, we'll say that it is home because it's on the home page. And then we'll say click because we know it's a click. And then we'll say view all clients, right? So that we know straight away what this is about. Now I might pump into the description. This is for people who click on the view all clients button on the home page. So something like that. And then what we can do is click on the filter area and then do the clicked on as the behavior. And then we'll say view all clients because that's exactly what it says. Now you can use HTML tags, and the way you would do that, of course, is if you right click and then inspect and you have a look at which one you would use. You can use ChatGPT and say, hey, which one should I use if it's asking me this? And then it can tell you the answer. And then from there, you also say, it's got to be any click inside the home page, but it must be this. And then we click apply filter, and then we've got that filter there, and then create chart. And then from here, we can see straight away what this is about. Click open, and we can see the trend line. So 2 people there, blah, 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 blah. Now, if you do the other one, if you do this one, you can see an increase and decrease straight away, which is probably a more useful metric if you want to have a look at that. So you can easily just recreate that same thing, but instead of using trends, you use count, and that will tell you the increase or decrease over a certain period of time that you want to take a look at. So I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know.